Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Today is Wednesday. Today we will do our morning message. We'll review sounds and sight words, and then we will do a little bit of addition. I am so glad that you are here with me today. I'm going to move this just a little bit. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. April 15th, 2020. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. We have music. We must do our packet at home. It will be a great day. I can and I will. Love, Mrs. Forrester. Now remember, we have two new words this week. Two new words. One of them is this word right here. Woo. What is this word? You're right, it's must. Everybody, what's this word? Must. Everybody spell it. M-U-S-T, must. I must find must. Do you see it? Yep, it's right after we, the second we. We must. Okay. What about this second new word? You're right, it's are. What is it? Are. Everybody spell it. O-U-R. R, not to be confused with our old R. Yep, this is our new one. Do you see it on the board? Right after do. Now, some of you may be thinking at home, Mrs. Forster, you wrote we have music, but we're not at school. Mr. Holder will be going live on Facebook at 10:30. I haven't been doing a good job of reminding you, so I wanted to make sure I reminded you today. So that's why I wrote we have music. And then I also wrote we must do our packet at home. So I know that you are working through that packet that you either printed at home or went and picked up with mom at school or dad or grandma, whoever. But I hope that you're working through it. I hope it's going okay for you. And if you need anything, please let me know. Alrighty, let's go ahead and review all of our sight words, all of our fourth quarter words. Ready? Ears on. Must. Must. M-U-S-T. Must. R. R. O-U-R. R. New. New. N-E-W. New. Funny. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. Ride. Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. Down. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Get. Get. G-E-T. Get. Jump. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. She. She. S-H-E. She. Will. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Find. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Little. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little. Eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Now. Now. N-O-W. Now. Repeating ears off. Good job. Okay, yesterday we had been here for how many days? We made our second bundle. So if we made our second bundle yesterday, how many days had we been doing distance learning? 10, 20 days. So that makes today Day 20. Day 21. Where does my new single pencil go? The ones bucket. Are you sure? But he's going to be so lonely over here. He can't go into the tens with everybody. No? Okay. The hundreds bucket? Okay, fine. The ones bucket where he'll be. So we have 2 tens and 1 1 making 21. Good stuff. Thanks for making sure I put it in the correct spot. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. I zoomed right on ahead. We forgot to do our punctuation. You ready to do it? What's this one called? It's a period. Do you see any periods on my board? I'm having a little bit of lighting issue today. Did that solve the problem? A little bit. Now you can't see the top. Oh well. Oh, there we go. Okay. Period. Do you see a period on the board? I see a lot of periods today. Wednesday's really scrunched, but there is one after Wednesday. There is one after music. There's one more right here and one right here. I just have lots of statements today. Did I ask you a question at all today? Did I use this guy at all? Let me move. No, I didn't ask you any questions. I told you that we had music and I told you that we must do our packet. So I didn't ask you any questions today, but this is called a question mark. What about this one? What's it called? Exclamation point. Is it on the board? It is. I can and I will. Good. All righty. Sorry I forgot to do that a minute ago. I was just so excited to have 21 days that I don't know, forgot about it. All right, you ready for some sounds? Here we go. Ears on. W, wind. R, rat. Z, zebra. Q, queen. V, van. P, pan. T, tap. N, nut. S, snake. I miss doing that with you guys. F, fun. K, kite. D, dog. J, jug. G, game. L, lamp. H, hat. M, man. B, bat. A, apple. C, cat. E, ed. Y, yellow. O, octopus. U, up. I, itch. X, fox. Good job. Repeating ears off. Okay, before we jump into our addition page, I wanted to talk to you about one thing. Today we are going to do a virtual meeting at 1 o'clock like we have been. And during the virtual meeting, I'm going to ask that you come prepared to tell us your favorite breakfast item. What do you love to eat for breakfast? Okay, what's your favorite breakfast item? And then I want you to come prepared with paper and a black crayon or a black marker, if possible. If you have to bring a pencil, that's totally fine. But I wonder why I want you to bring a black marker or a black crayon. What did we used to do with those things in class? Oh, I think I heard someone say it. A direct draw. So this afternoon, we're gonna share our favorite breakfast foods. Now, if you love cereal, I need you to tell me your favorite kind of cereal. Then we're gonna do a direct draw on the board, a live direct draw, okay? It's gonna be so fun. I have to pick one out. I'm not sure which one I wanna do yet. So that's what's gonna happen at 1 o'clock. So in just a few hours, okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and share the screen. And let's do some addition. Okay, so when we are adding, does our number get bigger or does our number get smaller? It gets bigger. So today, what we're gonna do, let me get my stamp, is we're gonna count the first block and then we're going to count on. So let me show you what I mean by that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a total of 6 dots. So that means 1 plus 5 equals 6. Let me do that a different way on this next one because that was a little confusing. We were kind of all over the place. Let me back up. Let's write the number first, then count all the dots. I think that'll be a little bit easier for us, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some of you may be able to say what these dice numbers are without even counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 4 plus 6? I hear some of you saying it. Yep, let's double check our answers. So we can just start at 4 because we know that this number is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I forgot to say this, but if you're at home and you want to do some addition with me, you can pause this video real quick and go get a pencil and a piece of paper or whatever you've been using to write with, and you can write with me and do the math with me, okay? Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Okay, let's do the next one. How many do we have here? We have 2. What about right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Good. So if we had 2 plus 5, how many would we have? Let's start at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. All right, let's keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the first dot. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 3 on the next dot. Dice. Why am I calling it a dot? Anyway, what is 4 plus 3? I know some of you know this one. Real quick, it's a math fact. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay. Sorry, I tried to eliminate those dings this morning and they are still coming in. Okay, I need my, oh, I already have it. Okay, what is this number? 6 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? 6, 7. We have another 7. Look at that. 3 7s in a row. It must be our lucky day. All right, let's keep it rolling. What's this next one? 1, 2, 3. 3. And then the next dice has 5. What is 3 plus 5? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Alrighty, what about 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 plus 1 would be 5. Good, that's just a fact that we know. All right, we are making good progress. Let's keep it going. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. What do we have? 4, 5, 6. Good, we have 6. Okay. What about, oops, I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry. 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's a big one. Can anyone think of what we could do to solve it? We can count on. Good idea. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Look at that. Okay, let's keep going. 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? We did 4 plus 3 over here. Would that be the same answer? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It sure is. Let me draw a line. Look at that. These are the same, even though they're in a different order. That is pretty cool. Okay, so in addition, what that means is when you have numbers, it doesn't, the same two numbers, so like 3 and 4, it doesn't matter if 3 comes first or 4 comes first, it's always going to equal 7. That's the same with 1 and 5. If 5 came first and then the 1, it would still be 6, and so on and so forth. But that's with addition. That doesn't work with subtraction, okay? But with addition, it does. Okay, let me get my stuff back to normal. 2 plus 1, 3. We just knew that one. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, we have a 5 plus, what is this? 4. What is 5 plus 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. Great. Okay. 1 plus 3. I hear ya. It's 4. Sorry, my 3 is a little wonky there. Now we have 3 plus 2. And that is, it is 5. Good. So those were our addition sentences. We identified both numbers on the dice, and then when needed, we counted on after the first dice. We had 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, making 6 plus 5, 11. And then we saw some that were the same, but were flipped. Alrighty, thank you so much for joining me this morning for morning meeting. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you at 1 o'clock for our virtual meeting. Remember, come prepared with your favorite breakfast food in your mind, locked and ready to go. Come with paper and a black marker or a black crayon. If you don't have either of those things, you can certainly bring a pencil. But remember, we don't like to erase, okay? I will be doing the direct draw on this board behind me. I can't wait to see how our pictures turn out. I will see you at 1 o'clock. Have a great day.